me and you're in math class, and although math class is interesting, of course you're thinking about SEAMC because SEAMC is just awesome. So you start doodling and you decide to represent each person on the team with an animal, and you draw them from oldest to youngest because that's the way it went when we played Monopoly Deal. So there's Dawn, who is of course Kirby, and I suppose it's not really an animal, but oh well, you know what I mean. You, Isabel, and you get to be a bird since that's what you drew on one of the pieces of paper during the team round. Eddie, who is a snail because he offered to name the snail Ed on the page of doodles posted on Facebook. Me, and I'll make myself the elephant because that's the first by-heart doodle I drew. Daniel, who is a hippo because he likes them. Chris, who is a wolf because that's what he drew on the plane to Brunei. And finally James, who is a turtle because turtles are chill. And then you start drawing other random things related to SEAMC, for example, various other by-heart doodles like the non-ending rope, aka the baker's nightmare, a Rubik's Cube, and you bring some real ones out too. And then you remember something extremely important, but since you're a SEAMCer you decide to write it in binary. Go search that up and you'll see what it is. You move on to more SEAMC related stuff like A-Can and B-Can, who by the way are very good at building houses. A purple comet because of the purple comet math competition and because comets are pretty cool. 42 because it is the meaning of life, the universe, and everything. And you draw it in various different ways because of the message you left for Eddie on the board during Purple Comet. And then you have to stop doodling because your math teacher is trying to explain the concept of radians, and you need to convince them of the benefits of using tau rather than pi. So I hope you enjoyed this by heart inspired video. I've had the most amazing year with you, being the electroplating, trailer making, blogging, painting, doodling Prezi girls. It's been so much fun. Thanks for being the most awesome friend, and I'll miss you so much when you go to Milton. Best of luck!
So when I first thought of making this video, I did not really know what to do. So yeah, I hesitated and thought about it. And what I thought of was that since I always bring a deck of cards with me everywhere, I could base this video about tricks and yeah. So basically, the first trick I'll do is the magic square, and if you remember from SEAMC, the guest speaker also did a magic square. Okay, so number three, we'll just take the 5 cards off the top of this deck and add them up together. Case 13, 7, 20, 30, 42. So our number is 42. And now I'll start constructing the magic square. And now let's check if this is truly a magic square. So this row, 33 plus 9 is 42. 9 plus 23 is 32, plus 10 is 42. 4 plus 1 is 33, plus 9 is 42. 7 plus 2 is 9, this is 33, so this is 42. This is 10, this is 32, so that's 42. This is 18 plus 24, so it's 42. This is 10 plus 32, so that's 42. And this is 34, 35, 42. And now each square is 21 plus 21 is 42. That is also 42. 9, 18, 44. 9, 23, so it's 32 plus 10, 42. 33 plus 9, 42. Now the corresponding corners of the box. So 22 plus 5 plus 3 plus 12. That's 34 plus 8, 42. And then 24 plus 7, 31, 32, 42. 21 up 32 plus 10, 42. That's 10. It's 30. So the corresponding corners all equal. The corresponding corners of each 2x2 square is 42. So the first card trick I'll do for today is this. It's pretty simple. The top card of the deck is the 10 of spades. Spread it out. Put this card anywhere in the deck. The top card will still be the 10 of spades. You can work with other things such as the card is King of Clubs. King of Clubs anywhere in the deck. The top card is still King of Clubs. So as you can see, 2 to 5, and 4 red cards. 4 red cards. So I close it up. Put the red cards here. And as you can see, there's a 2, 3, 4, 5, just like I showed you. So I put down the 5, down the 4, down the 3. 2 is left. I can put it on top of the deck. I can put the 2 in the second position. Shake it up. So that's a 2. Put the 3 in the third position. But it still comes out as a 3. Now I'll show you that there's no hidden cards in this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 red cards, as I showed you clearly. Put the 4 in the fourth position. Shake it up, and at the top. Then we can shuffle it up a bit. And again, only 4 red cards. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 down here. Shake it up. Top card should be 5 of clubs. The next card is the next trick is a mathematical trick. You can see how I shuffle this thoroughly, so you know I'm not rigging the deck. Okay. Took out the first 9 cards. As you can see, I have these cards here. The Jack is one of my favorite cards in the bicycle deck, so I'll choose the Jack of Spades. Put the 8 cards down here, put this card on top, and put the rest of the pile on top. Now I'll start counting from 10 to 1, and while I'm counting, I'll flip cards, and if the number I say matches the card on the number I flip over, then I stop. If there's no matching cards, I'll put a card on the top. So let's go. 10, 9, 8. Oh, the 8 matches. So I stop there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The ace matches. Stop. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nothing matches. I put a card over it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 5. After I get 4 piles, add the top cards of each deck